Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I bet it's not every day that you come across this type of watch straps, right? And having your watch strap every day, quite sure you'd like to have a change for once. So today I get to show you how to do that very beautiful transition from the comfort of your home in less than 10 minutes, and you get to have this beautiful, amazing watch strap at the end of the day. If you can recall, we did a tutorial on bead looming previously. You can check on our playlist. We did this specific tutorial. This is important because that's where you're going to get your bracelet from. You can check it out. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share this video with your friends. And this is where we begin with your basic watch. And it's like that with your, this one has got a leather strap, so that's how it looks, just very basic and normal. And now we are going to use either a razor blade or a flat tool that can get to the hinges there, where you can snap out the leather strap from, like that. And then you do the same on the other side of the watch so that you can get it out like that. So this video is a continuation from the loom bracelet making. So you have this, you return one of the spring, but that's not going to be important right now. What you're supposed to do is to measure our bracelet, our beaded bracelet that we're going to use as a strap first, and see if it actually fits there between those two loops, like that. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. So guys, if you haven't watched how to make a loom bracelet, kindly go check it out. It's on our playlist. That's where you're going to learn how to make this specific bracelets that you can adjust to the exact size of your watch and your hand size. Then now you can come and place it onto your watch like that. So there we've loaded our one side of the strap, and now I'm removing the other side. That metal is the one that acts as a hinge, so I'm going to return it where it was on the watch, like that. This is something that you can easily do with even your hands, and maybe you just have to be careful, because when you're loading it back like that, it's got a spring, so it can fly off. That's one thing you need to be careful about. So once you return it and you make sure that it's firm like that, then you have your watch strap. I'm going to do this on another watch just now, so that you can see the process again. And as you can see, this is something that can work on a variety of watches, a variety of straps. You can have plenty of straps lined up, so you can change them every day if you want, or after every week. So as you can see, this looks marvelous. In person, it looks really great. And remember, this just originated from the previous loom beading bracelet that we made. So remember, you can make any color, any pattern that you want. For this second one is a black and white beaded loom bracelet or watch strap that I made in this pattern. It looks like an open zip. So I'm going to repeat the same process that you did, where you snap out the two ends of the watch strap and then we place the bracelet inside like that. So I'm taking measurements, seeing that it fits perfectly. So guys, as we've always said, that this specific tutorials that we do here can easily transform into a money-making side hustle. So this is something that you can do by the side and actually make a genuine extra income from. So if that's something you're up to, you can try it out. But also, art is something that I'm sure comes from the heart. It's something that is a burning desire from way deep in your heart. So it's good to take up this challenge, try out new type of art, and you never know what you can end up with at the end of the day. At times when we are doing this type of bracelets or rings or anything that is art related, we start with one thing in mind. Like for the bracelets, the loom bracelets, it was to be a loom bracelet just by default. But then again, you have an idea like, how will this look in a watch, and you try it out and you get results like this. That for sure is usually one of the best things about art. You can start with a base of anything and end up with something that will even surprise you. So as you can see, I've tried it out on multiple watches with different straps, and trust me, this look very good in person, and even when you try them out, they come out perfect. So you can take up this challenge. I'm waiting for your results. Kindly don't forget to comment and let me know what you think of these straps, and also what you have been able to do from our tutorials, our previous tutorials. So guys, kindly let me know what you think about this and much of our tutorials on the comment section down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow us on our social media pages at Stike_arts and landscaping, and I believe I'll see you on our next video.